As we know, chargers can go up to power levels of 350 kW and voltage levels of 400 volts. For safety point of view, it is really important to provide secure power transfer between charging station and the vehicle. Up to this point, we know the basic charging system and its working. There are two major parts. One is charging unit as a source and other is electric vehicle as a consumer or end receiver. We also know that large amount of electricity is transferred between these two systems. It is important to have secure connection between these two systems to ensure safety of operation. So here comes the role of different types of charging connectors. Charging connectors are the mediators which connects charger and electric vehicle, which allows safe operation for user by firm contact between cables to transfer electricity. They are implemented with Poka-Yoke system where the failure by the user is avoided by providing fail-safe function to connector itself. So, the first role of charging connectors is to ensure safety of charging operation. But there are many different electric vehicles and manufacturers in the world. Also, there are various companies which are dedicated only to vehicle charger manufacturing. So, to provide common ground for all EV manufacturers and EV charger manufacturers, there are certain standards that are followed in charging connectors. Types of charging connectors. As we know, there are two types of charging system, AC charging and DC charging. One is slow charging option and another is rapid charging option. Types of AC connectors. Generally, the AC connectors have two or more larger pins to transmit power and few smaller pins to provide communication. Let's start from basic 3-pin plug. This type of connector is mostly used for e-scooters and portable charging applications. We can see 3-pin plugs everywhere, which enables the user plug his vehicle anywhere. But using 3-pin plug is as a charging connector is not best practice. There are very less safety levels as compared to other charging connectors. It can use for power levels up to 2.3 kW and should only be used in case of emergency. To ensure safety standard, we move towards Type 1 AC connector. The typical power rating of Type 1 AC connector is 3.7 kW to 7.2 kW, mostly used for single phase AC supply sources. It has a round housing consisting of 5 pins. There are 2 pins for single phase AC supply. There is 1 pin for neutral and other 2 pins for communications, which called as proximity pilot and control pilot. The max voltage and current rating of this type of connector is 120 volt to 240 volt with max current of 80 ampere. Locking mechanism is not provided Type 1 AC connector. The proximity pilot. It tells the charging equipment the type of cable connected to the socket. It is important to get this feedback of the wire type to the charger as the power delivery capacity of the cable depends on its thickness. If a large amount of current is passed through the lower gauge wire, it may result in heating of cable, melting of insulation, and may result in fire hazard. Second is control pilot. This pin provides bidirectional communication between EV and the charging system. Type 2 AC connector, also called as Manicus. Type 2 AC connectors can supply up to 22 kW of power. Can be used for single phase as well as three phase supply. Inbuilt locking mechanism is provided in the connector so it interlocks charging cables during their high electricity transfer, which avoids sparking due to loose contact or shock to the owner. There are 7 pins provided in Type 2 AC connectors. Extra 2 pins allow 3-phase AC supply. CHAdeMO. The first attempt at a DC charger was a Japanese origin known as a CHAdeMO, which is official standard in Japan for all DC fast charger. The CHAdeMO can charge 50 kW and hold 2 pins side by side to carry DC current. Data signals provided on CAN protocol. This is used control panel pilot pin to communicate between the vehicle and charging system. CCS Combined Charging System. Combined charging system follows the European standard with Type 2 AC outlet charging, but also has special outlet for fast charging with direct current. This type of contact support both fast and normal charging into same socket of the car. Tesla connector. Tesla uses same connector for AC and DC charging. There are different codes for charging based on the regions, the EV manufacturer, or the government policy. There is no clear winner. Every type has some benefits and limitations. A very clear global discussion on setting common standard is not a bad idea. But we don't live in an ideal world, do we?